Medical news today. Your briefing on the breakthroughs and headlines shaping global health on Monday, January 19th, 2026. Top story: the pregnancy microbiome. We start with a game-changing discovery for maternal health. A study published today in eBiomedicine reveals that a simple gut bacteria compound called indole can protect offspring from fatty liver disease caused by a high-fat pregnancy diet. Researchers say this gut reset could fundamentally change how we manage prenatal nutrition. Lung cancer. Next, a major win in oncology. Scientists have isolated a natural metabolite, BAC429, that slashed lung tumor growth by 50% in trials when paired with immunotherapy. This human-ready discovery aims to bridge the gap for the 80% of patients who currently don't respond to traditional immune checkpoint inhibitors. Clinical update: stroke and asthma. In clinical tech, a new wearable device is enabling natural speech for stroke patients suffering from dysarthria. Meanwhile, a novel predictive method is now identifying asthma exacerbations with unprecedented accuracy, allowing for intervention long before a crisis hits. Public health alert: Nipah virus. In global health, surveillance is tightening as 2 cases of Nipah virus were confirmed in West Bengal. Health officials across India have issued high alerts, particularly for acute encephalitis syndrome, as they work to contain the spread of this rare but deadly infection. Lifestyle: longevity in 5 minutes. A massive study of 195,000 adults shows that just 5 extra minutes of walking or sleep daily can significantly cut mortality risk. The takeaway? Small moves compound into major longevity. Ophthalmology news. Segment 1: Phaco Festival 2026. Headlining today, the Phaco Festival 2026 has just concluded in Bengaluru. The event showcased next-gen surgical tools, including the Zeiss Artivo 850 digital 3D microscope and the Visumax 800 for high-precision smile surgeries. Experts highlighted how AI-driven tools are now setting new standards for patient safety and surgical precision. Segment 2: Breakthrough treatments. In research news, a world-first study from UCL and Moorfields Eye Hospital shows promise for treating hypotony, or dangerously low eye pressure. Researchers successfully used low-cost HPMC gel injections to restore eye volume and pressure, offering a safer alternative to traditional silicone oil treatments. Segment 3: Clinical safety alerts. A critical safety warning for glaucoma specialists. New research indicates that oil-based eye ointments can damage certain glaucoma implants. When these ointments come into direct contact with the implant, they can cause the material to swell and potentially rupture, prompting a call for revised post-op care protocols. Segment 4: Industry and Tech, 055 to 110. On the tech front, the FDA has recently cleared the EDOF contact lens for presbyopia, a major win for patients looking for non-surgical options. Meanwhile, in the biotech sector, iFocus Spyglass Pharma has officially announced its intention to go public, signaling a strong start for ophthalmic investment in 2026.
Michelle.
News: Alzheimer's disease. Plasma measures of phosphorylated tau-217, p-tau-217, can accurately identify individuals in the preclinical stage of Alzheimer's disease, AD. A new meta-analysis showed Medscape. High BP at birth. This prospective cohort study found that BP tracked consistently from birth through childhood. Higher BP levels at birth and early childhood were associated with an increased risk of elevated BP and hypertension later in childhood. These findings highlight the importance of monitoring and managing BP from birth as a potential strategy to reduce cardiovascular risk later in life. JAMAnetwork.com. Conclusions and relevance. In this cohort study, being born LGA and being exposed to maternal diabetes were associated with a higher risk of adult-onset MS, whereas being born SGA was associated with a lower risk. While high childhood body mass index and diabetes are known MS risk factors, these findings suggest susceptibility may begin as early as the prenatal period. JAMAnetwork.com. That's your medical news update for today. Remember to consult a healthcare professional for any medical concerns. Stay informed and stay healthy. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily health insights. Disclaimer: use the content after verification.